Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to Raunix. Today we are going to discuss how our CapGeo application works when you have multiple drivers in the same location. So in this video we are going to discuss how our CapGeo application will trigger a notification for a particular driver when you have multiple drivers in the same location. So right now we are using 3 drivers and 1 user. Okay, you can see all the drivers available at same location, Bharatpur Rajasthan and Bharatpur Rajasthan, and the user is also available in Bharatpur Rajasthan. Okay, and you can see I have logged in with the different drivers. Here is the driver 1, here is the driver 2, and here is the driver 3. Okay, so for testing I'm going to place an order for daily ride. I'm going to search a nearby city, and these are vehicles available in our area. I'm going to choose mini and click on ride now. It will trigger a notification, and a driver will get a notification something like this. You can see how much loud notification it will be there. I'm not going to accept this order, so it will automatically goes to another driver. Let's wait for that. Now you can see our another driver getting notification with the same loud notification and with the same time. If this driver will not accept this request, then this request will go to another driver. Let's wait for that also. And you can see this driver also did not accept it. Now our third driver getting the same notification, and now I am going to accept this ride from our third driver. Going to click on accept ride, and here you can see drive is accepted and status is changed in our user application as well. So I am going to click on arrived. When you click on arrived, now I am going to click on start. It will ask you to OTP before starting the ride, so I am going to enter the OTP, and this is how our trip has been started. Now I am going to end the trip, and this is how successfully we have complete our trip. You can rate the trip like this. So if you wanna start a taxi services application, something like Uber and Ola, then we have perfect solution that can match with your idea. You can contact us, details showing on your screen, or for more you can visit raunix.com. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.